Hey guys, Renee Lane here. Just want to share a quick testimony with you guys. I actually partnered with FES about 2 years ago, and it has been completely life-changing. Let me tell you, I'm gonna make it quick. I only went there to get my credit repaired, but after hearing the services and the price and the process, just the person that I am, I just started thinking of everybody that could use it, and so I joined the business opportunity. 3 months in, it completely replaces my full-time salary as a speech therapist. 6 months in, 27 student loans removed from my credit reports. These are loans I'm still paying on. So let me tell you, this company not only has given me options in life, it's given me credit cards, has given me like an amazing work life setup. Like, I literally work from home and control my schedule. I'm not worried about being fired. I'm not worried about not being hired.